What did you see? Everybody here facing 25 years. When I get out, I'm trying to get everybody in here 25 years in prison. I'm gonna push that to the full extent. And I'm assuming personal. I supposed to went down the bottom and got an oath of office, but I'll do that. I can't remember. Oh yeah, all that. No, I tell you what, you can contact, you can come to the you can go downstairs and get them information on how to get in contact with you. You can always do that at the police department, and they'll give you information on how to do that. It'll work. If not, I'll mail y'all. I'll send you some mail. But I'm still challenging the jurisdiction because he's not allowed to practice law from the bench. You know what I'm saying? You gotta put him looking at $25 million fine and 30 years in prison. 1692, Section 18, Title 18, Section 1692 FF. I don't know what they're waiting on. I think it's a pretty clock. And if anything happens, I'll put this with you and send it to my brother. Yeah, you can hit him up on Messenger or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Because they like they're $1 million strong. So if they got to get a lawyer or anything, Don.D Jr., 1992. Yeah, everything's okay. So I never put that in capital. Okay, I'm not even supposed to be in this venue. He's supposed to change the venue. I done done this beaucoup times. So right now he's automatically breaking the law. I done done this like 13 times. So it don't change. I done done this in Nacogdoches, Tyler, Center, College Station. It even says right here in the books. That's why I got the books. For the lawyers and judges and bailiffs and sheriffs. It says right here they have no immunity from liability when violating constitutional rights. They don't even know it. But I'm gonna get everybody information. And so you don't never sue the police department. That's where you mess up and you sue them personally. That way each one of them gotta pay $10,000 for a lawyer and up. I know they don't want to do that. I thought, yeah. They don't like me being in the courtroom with nobody. What's that? A state cannot license rights. Facts.
Mr. Thompson, you can have a seat at the table.
That's not how you're supposed to call it out. Right?
Mr. Thompson, you can have a seat at the table. Have a seat at the table.
Let the record show that my name is Don.D. and I'm not in the I cannot be Thompson. I have right here. Do you mind, Pastor? Is this
Just have a seat at the table. We need to call a case, and then you can make your argument.
I'm not here to address the merits of the case. I'm here to address the jurisdiction of the case by y'all having the yellow fringe flag. You're outside the jurisdiction. That's how y'all address it.
Okay.
You're not allowed to practice law from the bench. So I'm here challenging the jurisdiction of the court. Are you allowed to practice law from the bench?
I am going to call the matter of State of Wisconsin versus Don.D. Thompson, case number 22 CM 237, and County of Waupaca versus Don.D. Thompson, case numbers 22 TR 2969, 2968, 2967, and 2961. Mr. Thompson is here without counsel. I guess you prefer to be addressed as Don.D., sir, and I will address you as Don.D. if that is your preference. Don.D. is here without counsel. Assistant District Attorney Bowles is here on behalf of the state. This matter was set for a competency review hearing. The court entered an order that Mr. Thompson submit to a competency evaluation. The court received notice on December 16th that the Wisconsin Forensic Unit was unable to contact Don.D. with the information provided. The clerk's office forwarded additional information. At the end of last week, I called to find out whether they'd been able to, whether the agency had been able to contact Don.D., and I was advised they had been unable to contact him. The agency did indicate they were still glad to do a competency evaluation.
Is this a common law jurisdiction court?
This is a court that does consider common law as well as statutory law, sir, yes.
Yes, this court operating in the admiralty jurisdiction?
I cannot hear you, Mr. Don.
That's why you need to sit at the table, or else the court reporter can't hear you, sir. The court reporter is working remotely. That's why you need to sit at the table so she can hear you.
I'm sure what you have to say is important and you want it on the record, so please, I'm asking you, please sit by the microphone.
I'm asking the actor from the bench, is this an
I
admiralty?
can't hear you, sir. It will not be on the record. I cannot hear you at all. You're not by a microphone.
Okay.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Pull the microphone up. Thank you.
Is this an admiralty court? Are we in admiralty jurisdiction or are we in common law jurisdiction?
This is, as I indicated, a court, general jurisdiction trial court in Wisconsin, created under the Wisconsin Constitution, controlled by Wisconsin statutes and common law.
Did you take an oath?
Judge, this is
what the whole Constitution.
last time.
We went over this, Mr. Thompson. I have taken an oath of office.
Can you present your oath of office to the court?
Well, actually, yes, I can, because you asked for it last time. The clerk does have it if you want to see it.
Are you allowed to practice law from the bench?
I do not practice law. I am here to adjudicate. I'm not a practicing attorney. I'm a judge at this point in time.
Let the record reflect that the judge failed to present his oath of office, and let the courts reflect that the judge, for a fact that we know the judge is not allowed to practice law from the bench.
I just agreed with you. I do not practice law from the bench, and you may come forward and look at the oath of office, sir, if you want to see it.
I object. I object.
Judge, at this point,
Yeah.
the state's gonna move that the competency be held inpatient, given his lack of cooperation.
I would like to challenge the jurisdiction of the prosecutor,
we're-
of the DA.
We're,
Do you have jurisdiction to practice law?
we're going in circles here.
We are going in circles.
Do you
I
have-
have serious concerns about your competency to proceed in these matters, Danelle, so I'm going to, in effect, revoke your signature bond until such
Objection.
time as you have completed the evaluation by the Wisconsin Forensics Unit.
Objection.
As I indicated, when I haven't
Objection.
heard anything further, I contacted the office. and
Okay, I just
they
filed-
forwarded a report indicating, even with additional information, your phone.
I just filed, new cases of, Title 18 U.S. Code 2382, misprision of treason. I just filed Title 42 U.S. Code 1986, action of, for neglect to prevent.
Yes,
I
I
just
showed you
filed-
filed a number of documents today.
I just-
They are all in the clerk of court's record. But at this point in time, I'm revoking your signature bond
Object.
because of your failure to cooperate with the evaluation. And Dr. Collins indicates
Object.
she is glad to evaluate you.
I object to the fact that the court failed to show jurisdiction. The yellow French flag strictly proving that you do not have jurisdiction. This is a dry dock vessel. There is no first parties here representing the third party and beyond corporation. So that's why I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court. And I am
Your
challenging the prosecutor.
Your objection to jurisdiction is noted, sir. I'm still ordering you to be evaluated.
Okay, I
For
have here,
competency to proceed.
a non-negotiable, non-transferable, this is a private matter origin, title of origin that is. This is a master affidavit specific negative of verbiage. And I am here under specific power of attorney indemnification and whole homes agreement. And I have, it says the secured party is not either a jurisdiction, person, legal fiction, or
Right,
entity,
sir.
individual,
Slow
or
down.
associated.
Hey. You have to slow down. I don't know what you're saying.
Okay,
Please, slow down. You want this on the record, right? You want this
Correct.
on the record?
correct. But it is
Please
stated,
slow down.
it's
I can take it out.
the non-negotiable, non-transferable, this is a private matter title of origin. This is a permanent legal document and remains the property of the authorized representative and may not be reproduced without prior written permission of authorized representatives. Notice to the agent is notice to the principal. Notice to the principal and notice to the agents. Herein claim, declare, express, the state, and true, correct, complete, and not misleading. Non-negotiable about special appearance, restricted jurisdiction, state of Wisconsin, county of Waupaca. Now, this is the affidavit of specific negative vermin from the soil of Texas. The undersigned affidavit, Donnell of the Thompson family, one living, breathing flesh and blood being hereinafter secured party, appearing in restricted jurisdiction and proper capacity with unlimited liability, possessing undiminished standing in law as a sovereign, spiritually anonymous, sanctioned, gender, free will with unalienable rights and unalienable authority for upholding said rights, and the beneficiary by blood, birth, initiate, being and descent of original jurisdiction defined and secured law in the eternal covenant of secured party with the Creator. In accordance with the grantee secure, inter anada, that's INTERALIA, by the unanimous declaration, i.e. Declaration of Independence of 1776, and in accordance with the secured party sincerely held spiritual conviction of creed, does, with here solemnly swear declare that the state, number one, secured party can completely state the matter set forth herein. Number two, secured party has personal knowledge of fact state herein. Number three, All the facts stated herein are true and correct, complete and certain, admissible as evidence and not misleading, and if testifying secure party can so state. The affidavit of specific negative version, page 1A, plain statement of facts. The affidavit of specific negative averment hereinafter, NSNA, constitutes a specific negative averment in the accordance with 28 U.S.C. Federal Rule of Civil Procedure, Rule 9A. Read, alleged case number, which is on the docket. Hereinafter alleged case. Number 5, secure party executes ANSA solely as authorized Representative Don.D. Thompson Jr. Secure party is not now, nor may secure party be constructed as being an accommodation party, nor a surety for Don.D. Thompson Jr. or DONNELL Thompson Jr., nor any derivative, nor for any orthographic variation of said name, for any other juris person, and the indemnified and held harmless by purported Don.D. Thompson Jr. family and specific power of attorney indemnification hold harmless agreement number, which is the ID, which is on record, SPA-IHHA, dated the day, and date of the month and the month of the year of the Lord 1985, hereinafter SPA-IHHA, from, against, and all claims, debts, legal actions, citations, orders, warrants, judgments, awards, demands, liabilities, losses, dispositions, summonses, lawsuits, costs, fines, liens, levies, parties damaging, including direct, liquidated, consequential, incidental, and otherwise interest, and expenses whosoever, both absolute and contingent, as are due as.
Well, let me interrupt you there.
Objection.
That is
Objection.
something you filed today, correct?
No, sir. Objection.
Is this a new thing you want to file? Bring it forward. We'll take it right now if you want to file this.
Objection.
No,
Objection.
you didn't file it, otherwise I'm finding that it's not relevant. I'm going to.
Objection.
I'm going to direct that you be taken into custody, that your $500 cash bond.
Objection.
Is in effect voided until such time as you submit to the competency evaluation. Once you've completed the competency evaluation, you can be re-released on the $500 cash bond you previously posted.
Objection.
Don't resist. Don't resist.
Trust me, I won't.
Don't resist.
Can you please get a copy of that document?
Well, we'll see if you'll give it to us. Is it in here?
Yes, it's in here. All the documents are here on the table.
All right.
Can I give my property?
All of his documents will be filed.
Can I give my property to my family?
This can go in this bag. Anything on you that's gonna poke me or hurt me? What is this right here?
That's my stamping. Say, contact my brother, bro, ASAP, and tell him to get a lawyer. Can you give my property to my family?
And I'm going to call this representative and let them know that you are available to them. Hopefully they will be getting here shortly.
Okay.
I'm assuming, I don't know what's going on here, I just don't know where things are gonna go. You probably don't know what to do, so, I'm at this one, I don't know.
I don't have to put this, and I don't have to put this.
Judge Keeper ordered his signature bond revoked. Okay. And for contempt. All right.
You want any of that?
I don't answer questions, I don't answer questions.
All right, so So, this is where we get to the point now where I start telling you things, okay? You don't have to answer questions, but I'm telling you that I do need to pat you down. Okay? So, you can go to just, okay? Don't you get hurt? I'm gonna pat you down, get anything in your pockets.
You wanna come back down here, your cups, or?
Okay, just wanna make sure.
You wanna go down here?
I'm gonna need to get your shoes off, okay? I'm gonna keep your cuffs on, but I wanna get your shoes off before we go down. So, alright?
Thank you, guys.
So if you wanna lift up your right foot quick.
I'm not gonna resist, man.
Huh?
I'm not gonna resist.
That's fine, but it's just safety for us,
I
okay?
know it's protocol.
Yeah. Alright, thank you for doing that.
And you always been cool, so I don't need to give you no problem.
Yeah. We're all cool, you know that?
Yeah,
I'm gonna check this leg quick. Wanna lift up your leg? Make sure there's no weapons, okay?
Lay down.
Alright, check the back pockets, this one here.
Master, you can close 3 court 1, open 3 lobby. Elevator 3 to 1, bring the one down from court.
Hey guys, whose cuffs are these?
Alright, get there. We're gonna put it in master control form.
Alright. Thank you.
Well, you gotta lose the pants. Another problem.
Yeah, keep them up. Do you have a belt in there or something when you leave? No? You know we have to get that earring out. Okay.
I'm not.
Is that something
I
that-
don't know what y'all gotta do is.
Alright, is that something that you'll be able to take out? We don't have to?
Yeah, I'll take it out.
Okay. Well, you're saying you're not gonna answer questions, so what?
I
You know, so I gotta
answer
ask.
questions in front of them. I can answer questions in front of them.
Alright. Alright, so.
I can answer.
Alright. So, architecture down this one. This is obviously staying.
Yeah, signature bond has been revoked and then contempt.
Cups off. And then when you do the scanner, okay, you get some
According to,
information?
no, I don't have any of this. No one ever told me who you are. Going on. Nothing.
All this is time.
What's that?
All this is time.
Yeah, alright. So.
I vaguely remember this, dude.
Donnell Thompson,
Can I see that?
maybe?
How do you spell the first name?
Donnell.
Donnell Thompson?
Yeah. Thompson.
Oh. Got no matching.
He's been here before.
I know. D-O-N-E-L-L?
Donnell.
Okay. Yeah, I see.
Got him?
feel it's wasting time. We have stuff. I think he came in, we did some stuff from him. And then.
Okay, 236, 232. You wanna do this one? I'm gonna do this next thing.
You got, name thing or say anything? Start doing this properly.
Yeah, I'll go back here and start. Is that a male or female coming in?
A male, I believe.
That was, Lewinsky's cups?
Yeah, Lewinsky's cups. Where are they?
My pocket.
Here, give them to me, I'll give them to Master. Dan said he'll pick them up at some time. These are Dan Lewinsky's. You wanna put his name on them? He's gonna come to Master and get them in a little bit. Lewinsky.
You're gonna